Hey guys, welcome back to the education series of Dimagi Investor. Who don't want to buy a property, right? Everyone wants to buy a good property, or you can say sapno ka ghar, right? But we don't know the right price. Am I right? Yes. Even in my early years, I was very confused buying a property, where I should buy the property and how I should buy the property, right? Whether I should be buying a plot or a built up house or a flat or a bungalow, I don't know. So in general, we simply go by what builder tell us. At best, we might try to find out what was going rate for that property nearby, and even that is told to us by brokers or builders, right? So now I'm gonna give you few tips. One of the tips is simple way to estimate would be to follow 4% yield rule. It means that for a 1 crore property, the rent, or you can say, the saving, it should be generated around 33,000, so that the yearly yield come around 4%. So if you are paying more, let's say 1.5 crore, and the property is generating 30,000, there should be some kind of remodeling potential. That's fine. For example, you might invest another 50 lakhs to build a garden, pool, and start generating 70k thousand. Now, people often ask, that's why just 4%? Why 4%? It could rather invest the money in stock and get 12 to 15%, right? Okay, so here are few things. Here I'm gonna give you a difference between a stock market and a non-movable property. 4% yield is the rental yield. The underlying property appreciation is separate. First thing. Second, this could be anything depending on the growth of the area, might be 3% or might be 20%, depend on the lot of factors. Every asset class like real estate, bond, stock serves a different purpose. Equities are extremely good for growing your wealth. Fixed income instruments, bonds, are used to protect your wealth. Real estate help you generate cash flows and build, you know, your intergenerational long-term wealth. So are you getting my point? If you buy a real estate, it doesn't mean you will sell it in very next month or very next year. It's an intergeneration long-term wealth, right? So if you buy a property in 1 lakh, in your next generation it can be costing around 1 crore too, right? So it depends. So there is a difference that for what purpose you are investing. So that is why in this channel we are calling as Dimagi investor. Investing is not about stock market, it's about investing your money and time anywhere. Now, there is no such thing as the best asset. You need to pick what suits you the best as per your circumstances. Okay, most importantly, if you buy bad stock, bond, or real estate, you will lose money on all. So it doesn't matter, right, where you are investing. There are chances where you can lose your money anywhere, right? It really doesn't matter where. Stock market is the only thing where we can lose money, and believe me guys, if you are not wise while taking your decision, you can lose money anywhere. Okay, so I hope this particular video helped you a lot to change your thoughts. If you are not going in that direction, you can watch this video again, what I mean. But just to summarize it, what I'm trying to say here is, don't judge the property by its cost. Judge the property how much appreciation it may give to you, and what is the current recurring yield it is giving to you. As I said, people often not so their interest to buy property more than 1 crore. But let's say 1 crore property is giving you 33 or 35,000 rent, right? So it means it's a good property. If you will have a property of 1 lakh, 10 lakh, or maybe 20 lakh, you might be getting only 5,000 rent. So you might be thinking, oh my god, okay, I'm getting 5,000 rent, but that's not good enough, right? So that's what I'm going to make a point here, that you have to go by yield, not by the property cost. I hope you understood it. So if you understood it, subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed it, do like button and share this video with others. Or it's not sharing the video, it's just about sharing the thoughts. So if you can share the thoughts with your other friends, other colleagues as well, my purpose is done. I'm here to educate what I have learned so far throughout my life, right? And I'm trying my level best to share the same with you guys, so that you can also help, and help yourself, your family for the longer run, right? That's what my objective is. So thank you guys for listening to me. and will share my next thoughts again. Thank you guys.